We say it's a pride of the Pakistan. That is a tank Al Khalid. We have already manufactured 320 tanks for the Pakistan Army. We have got a joint venture, of course, with the various countries, and we have got the self-reliance in manufacturing of the tanks. Of course, approximately 60% or 70% component parts are being manufactured in Pakistan, and 30% we import for the manufacturing of this tank. You know, if I can make it the comparison with the other tanks of the world, it is the medium weight, just with having a weight of 48 tons. It has got all the characteristics which are in par with the world-class tanks. In relation to the firepower, it has got a 125 mm gun, and with relation to the protection, it provides protection against all type of kinetic energy ammunition, heat ammunition at a 1500 meter distance. And in other features, it has got the head mirror stabilization sight, it has got the auto tracking, it has got the thermal imager, and the hunter kill capability. And with the best power to weight ratio, it is the lightest tank that with the 26:1 is the power to weight ratio. It has got the 125 mm gun, it is a chrome plating, and then it has got the, in the driver compartment, it has got the digital driver panel. The crew of the tank is the 3, and then it has got an auto loader, carousel type auto loader, which has got the capability to load 49 rounds. 49 rounds of the different calibers, you know, with the composition of any composition of the heat, APF, STS, or HE. It has got the capability to launch anti-tank missile. It has got a 12.7 mm gun, anti-aircraft gun. It has got a panoramic sight, which has got the hunter kill capability. It is one of the main features of the tank. This is the position of the commander, this is the position of the gunner, and here is the position of the driver. It has got the head mirror stabilization system, approximately 3 kilometers. But of course, the effective range is 2 kilometers. It's a manual, but in the next generation tank, we are going to put the remote control weapon station. It has got a 2000 rounds. It has got the smoke grenade launcher. It has got the 1200 horsepower engine, and inside the carousel type magazine, which has got the capability to load 49 rounds. It can fire at the day. It has got the thermal imager sight. It can do the amphibious operation. So we have got the specific equipment, which we have practically tested it up to 4 meter depth it can go. It is in the grill. You know, we have got the amphibious operation in the grill, and we can mount it in case of the requirement. We are very much ready, and we have got the capability to manufacture 50 tanks per year. And in case of any order, we are very much capable to provide the tanks to any of the country.